Hi, my name is Alistair, and today we're going to be going over how to read text from a text file using the file reader with Bizweaver, Third Wave's process automation and integration software. So let's start by opening up a new workflow. The reason you'd want to use the text reader in our file reader tool is that it allows you to just read a string of unformatted text in a text file. So unlike a CSV, JSON, or XML file, you may have files that don't have any separation or formatting, where it's just some string of text that needs to be read and parsed through. So if you're doing an SAP Business One integration of some type, you can get that data and maybe put it in a remarks field or parse through it using a SQL tool. So to use the file reader text reader option is you would just go to file type, drop down and select text reader. And then the input file would be whatever you choose. In this case, I have a set document with a line of text in it. But most workflows, you can have it where it's a variable. So if, say, someone dumps a new file in here every single day, or another workflow is placing a file in here, the workflow that reads this document, or if it's the same workflow, can then just grab that document when it changes, so you're not using a set document. In this case, we're using a set document for the demo. Now what this does is it's going to take that value or the string of text in here, and it's going to just put it into a Bizweaver variable for us so we can then parse through it at a later time in the workflow. Now I'm going to show you what is produced from this variable when it actually gets to this point in the workflow when we need to actually read the value that is being used in the text document that we're trying to read from. So I'm going to go ahead and save this tool. I'm going to put in a SQL tool. And I'm just going to use a dummy query, which is just a query getting the data from that step. And I'm going to use the text content variable. So you hit F4 and it will produce a flyout where you can select the value that you want from our file reader tool and alias this field as text. I'm going to go ahead and drop in an end step. And then we're going to test this, do a test run where we can run through the document and see the values that are being produced. So in this case, our file reader text content is a document with text. And then in our SQL command tool, you can see that it's the same value that is being used. And now if we wanted to parse through this in some way, we can apply logic in SQL, or we can just take this and enter it directly into SAP if you're doing an SAP Business One integration. So you can take that data in any format you wish and add it into any integration you're looking at, it be it a SQL table or SAP. That's all I have for this video. I just wanted to show you the benefits of using the text reader option in our file reader tool so you can read data that is just a string of text without any formatting and then insert that either into SAP or a SQL table. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.